Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. So, I want to show you a couple of things. I'm going to make this quick. So, Ken, you asked what this is. This is, if you look at it, you can see on the panel here, those are where I had cup. Those are cup rings from where I had cups set in wet paint because I had used to use this for other stuff. But you can see it. It's clear as day. And if you go back and look in your video, you'll see it. You'll see what it is. You know. All right. So outside of that, you tried to make all kinds of little funny statements about cornflakes in my cereal and Rice Krispies or whatever it is. We all know they're bubbles, Mr. Ken, and they're bubbles because it's a thin paint, not because it's water. Doesn't matter if you were using even something like a Floetrol product, or if you were using anything thin that you're going to use, a roller is going to introduce air into it. So you're going to get bubbles. It happens. You just blow them and they're done. All right. Outside of that, Mr. Ken, now I have questions for you. So what is this on your wall? Because that don't look like no Rice Krispies to me. And it's there whether it's in one picture or another picture or another picture. So what is that? What is this? Oh my goodness. Why is that screen so dark at the bottom and black everywhere else? Look at all that. What is that? What is this? Why the hell are they green, Ken? Why are these girls green? Nobody wants green girls. But all of that's just for fun. But the real fun is this. See, I've been so busy shipping stuff, packaging orders, getting them out, plus doing my regular job and stuff here around the house. I didn't really give it a lot of thought. But the guy next door reached out to me today. And he kind of triggered something, which is, and thank you, guy. I want you to get all the credit for this. Because I did reach out to Squarespace right after, and they agree. So in the end, what I've got is a video, many videos of you, Ken, on my Squarespace site, right, slandering our company on the Squarespace site, which is copywritten. That's right, it's copywritten. And guess what's even better? I've got a video of you copying and pasting text off my site. The very definition of copyright infringement. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to march right over to that website at the CCB, and I'm going to get me one of them little docket numbers for you. That's what I'm going to do. Because that ain't professional at the end of the day. That's about it, people. That's all to it. Ain't professional at the end of the day. He's a mushroom head at the end of the day. All right, you guys take care. We'll talk soon. Bye. Da 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 da. Made her head. Made her head. Made her head.